So students, in yesterday's class we have completed up to 13th question, I think, no? So this is your first chapter revision, the 5th standard, no? Yes, that's 5th standard, first chapter revision. In page number, what is the page number? 99. We have completed up to 13th question. Yes, flight from Dubai takes it takes off at 21:39 hours. That we have completed. Yes. Now, if we complete this one, 13th one is completed, no? So we have to continue our class from 14th question. Okay. So what he is asking, Anil and Atul, these are two friends. Anil and Atul are playing with cars. Okay, they are playing with cars. Toy cars. Okay, Anil's toy car ran 5 meter 9 decimeter 5 centimeter, and Atul's car ran only 358 centimeters only. Okay, how much further did Anil's car run? Okay, he is asking how much further did Anil's car run. Means between Atul's car and Anil's car, what is the difference? That you should find. Okay, how much further means more than Anil's car. How much further means what is the difference between both of these cars? We have to find out. That is only he is asking. How much further did Anil's car ran? Okay, Anil's car run. We have to find out the distance, the difference between both of these toy cars of Anil and Atul. That is the question. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to do the subtraction. If you do the subtraction only, you will get the distance between both the cars, no? So let us understand what is the question. Anil and Atul are playing with toy cars. You must have also played in your when you were very small. Okay, Anil's toy car ran 5 meter 9 decimeter 5 centimeter. Okay, and Atul's car ran only 358 centimeter. When you are adding or subtracting, you have to take care that both the numbers will be having same units. Here it is having same centimeter, but here it is having meter, decimeter, centimeter. So you should convert this into centimeter. Okay, so this will be in centimeter and this total will be in centimeter. Then you can subtract, you will get one difference. That difference is what? How much farther did Anil's car run? The difference will be the difference between means the answer for this question. How much farther did Anil's car run? So for this question, the answer will be the difference of these two. Okay, so we have understood the question. Now let me write the solution for that. Okay, so let me write the solution. So let us this is a story problem now. So how we have to write? We have to write in a statement wise. So let us write the solution for this. Okay, what is the solution? So Anil's toy car ran how much? 5 meters ran 5 meters 9 decimeters and 5 centimeters. Okay, Atul Stoiker ran how much? 358 centimeters, I think. Okay, yes. So he's asking how much further did Anil's car ran. Okay, so how to check whether how to check that how much further. So what I said, these two should be, if you are doing addition or subtraction, here we are doing subtraction because we have to know the difference between both the cars. So if you want to do addition or subtraction, here this one is in centimeters, no? So this should be also converted into centimeters. Okay, means we have to convert these all into centimeters. The addition and subtraction should be taken place between same units only. If this is meters, if this is in centimeters, this should be also converted to centimeters. If this is in meters, this should be also converted into meters. Okay, so that will be the major point you have to remember. Okay, so let us see, converting. I am converting this 5 meters equal to 1 meter equal to how many centimeters? 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? Do you know? 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. Okay, and next one, 1 dm equal to 10 centimeters. 1 decimeter equal to 10 centimeters. So 5 meters is there, no? So 5 meters means, instead of meters, what can I write? 5 meters 9 dm 5 centimeters is there, no? So instead of meters, what I can write? 5 into 100. Okay, plus this total I want to convert into centimeters. Okay, 5 into 100, the unit will be here centimeters. Okay, 9 dm means 1 dm equal to 10 centimeters, no? So 9 into 10 centimeters plus 5 centimeters. Okay, so you have to add all this. You will get 500. Instead of meters, 1 meter and meter both are same. 1 meter and meter. You will check. You will say 1 chocolate or chocolate. Both are same only, no? So here 1 meter and meter both are same. 5 meters, no? Instead of meters, what I am writing? 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters, no? If you want to convert, what you are doing, you are multiplying with small. This is bigger unit. You want to convert into smaller unit, you have to multiply with this. Okay, that's what I did. 5 into 100 centimeters, 9 into 10 centimeters plus 5 centimeters. This is 500, this is 90 plus this is 5. Total how much? All are in centimeters now. At that time only you can add. If all the units are in same unit, if all the numbers are in same unit only, you can add. This is 595 centimeters. Whose car? This is Anil's car. Ran how much? 595 centimeters. Okay, you have to remember. So this is 5 into 100 plus 9 into 10 plus 5. This is 500. Okay, this is 500. This is 95. This is 595 centimeters. Okay, for your understanding I am writing that one. Okay, so you have to remember 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters, 1 dm equal to 10 centimeters. Okay, so next one, what you have to do? You have to do the difference between both the cars equal to how much? 595 minus 358. Okay, so this is 15. So if you carry, this is 15. 15 minus 8 how much? 7. So here we have carried, no? You will get, instead of 9 you will get 8. 8 minus 5, 3. Okay, so 5 minus 3 how much? 2. 237 centimeters is the difference between both the cars. Okay, so let us check whether we did correct or not. So 358, So what is the smallest number between these two? 358. For 358, if you are adding the difference, you should get that number, no? This is 8 plus 7 15, 5 6 plus 3 9, 3 plus 2 how much? 5. 595 centimeters we got. So this is for just checking purpose I am saying you, because you should not commit any mistake. 237 centimeters is the difference, means between here one car is there, here one car is there. Okay, this is Anil's car, this is Atul's car. Okay, so the difference between both of them is 237 centimeters. So what he is asking, how much farther did Anil's car run? How much farther it has run? It has run, Anil's car has ran 230 centimeters for 237 centimeters farther. So this difference only the is telling the how much Anil's car has ran farther. So what is the answer? Anil's car ran 237 centimeters farther. Okay, not farther, it is farther. Farther means how much distance it has traveled by crossing Atul's car. Okay, so like that you have to understand. So this is the answer. How to do? You have to convert, both the units should be same, then you have to subtract. So this will be the farthest difference between Anil's car and Atul's car. Okay, like this you have to do the solution. Understand it clearly. Okay, so what is the 15th question? So 15th question is what? Say yes or no. Say yes or no. To convert smaller units into this one, to convert smaller units into larger units, we multiply. This is the statement. You have to write whether it is yes or no. So previously I said you many times, from larger unit to smaller unit, we have to do what? Multiplication. Okay, larger to smaller you have to do the multiplication. From smaller to larger unit, what you have to do? You have to do the division. Okay, larger unit to smaller unit you have to multiply, smaller unit to larger unit we have to divide. Okay, I am writing in the symbolic form. So here what is that? To convert smaller units into larger units we multiply. Is that correct? Smaller to larger, what you have to do? You have to do the division. So this is no. No is the answer. Okay, so next one. Sixteenth question is what? The cost of one score of bananas. One score of bananas is how much? Is 80 rupees. He is telling is 80 rupees. Okay, what is the cost of what is the cost of 2 dozen bananas? Okay, what is the cost of 2 dozen bananas? In bracket he gave one score equal to 20 bananas. Okay, one square equal to 20 and one score equal to 20 and 1 dozen equal to 12. Okay, so he is telling the cost of one score means 20 bananas. No, 20 bananas, I am writing the solution. 20 bananas cost is how much? 80 rupees he is telling. So what is the cost of 2 dozen? 2 dozen means 12. Okay, 2 dozen means 12 you will get. 2 into 12. 12 twos are how much? 24, no? For 24 bananas, how much is the cost? We have to find. Okay. So how to find out this one? How to find out like this? So you don't know this one, no? So 20 bananas cost is 80 rupees. 24 bananas means 2 into 12. 2 dozen he is telling, no? 2 into 12 means 12 to the 24 bananas cost is, I am taking it as X. Okay, I don't know what is the cost of 24 bananas. I am taking it as X. Okay, so you have to cross multiply. You have to multiply like this. Okay, 20 into X equal to 20 into X. Cross multiplication. Cross which is cross, you have to multiply both of them. 20 into X equal to 24 into 80. Okay, you have to do like this. Okay, so what I have to do again? So I will bring this 20 here. So here it is multiplying, no? If this is LHS, this is right hand side, this is right hand side, this is left hand side, no? So here it is, here 20 is, we have cross multiplied. 20 into X equal to 24 into 80. Okay, so we got like this. We did the cross multiplication. We are inserting equal symbol here. Okay, 20 into X equal to 24 into 80. We did this. So here 20 X means 20 into X. Okay, 20 into X, don't confuse. 20 into X we can write it as 20X also. 20 into X equal to 24 into 80. Clear? So what I want here, 20 is multiplying with X, no? So I am taking this right hand side. 20 is in left hand side, I am bringing it to right hand side. What it will happen? I am writing here. So this is equation, no? So 20 into X equal to 24 into 80. Clear? This one only I am writing here. Here it is in left hand side, no? This is right hand side. 20 is in left hand side. It is multiplying with X. I am taking this to right hand side. How I will take? If 20 is multiplying in left hand side, it will divide in right hand side. Okay, it will divide. Here it is multiplying, no? I am taking it to right hand side. From left hand side I am taking it to right hand side.